Guys, now this is the third panel, annotation. It's a very important point. In this panel we can write the text, we can measure, we can create the tables, we can create the leaders. Learn how to we can use. First is the text. Just you click here, two types, multi-line or single line. Just we select here multi-line and like click here, then you can write as you like, anything you can write here. Yes, this is we can use like that. And single line, then just you select here and here, then it's asking rotation. Yes, then you can write here. Okay, then enter it and click outside. Then again you can write and click outside. Okay, or escape it like that. And another thing is the dimensions. Dimensions, like this is the one line. Sorry, erase it. And I'm going to on ortho line here. Now polyline. Yes, and a circle. Okay, a arch. Okay, and another things. Okay, mostly another, I'm taking one line here. Just click. Okay, in the dimension panel, you see so many styles are. If liner is straight, we can measure. If we come to here like that, we can't measure the align. Yes, we can measure only straight. Okay, if I select here this align, then I can measure it the align. You see, now we can measure the align. Okay, and next one, angular. You select here, then okay, first we have to draw one line. Okay, now select the angular, select this one, then we can find out the angle between those two lines. And next one, here arch, just select one arch. Yes, you can find the length of the arch. Another things, radius, just come to in circle and select here, then you can find the radius of circular. Then again you select here diameter, then come to here and select the circle, then you can find the diameter, its diameter and it's the radius. Next one, come to here, this is the ordinate. These two things not using much, because from the X side and Y side, so leave it here. Okay, another thing is the leader. See, just I'm click to here and select here and select here, and we can write this is the circle. This is the means leader. And if you enter this is the add leader, we can add more leader, or we can make, this is the same things, but we can add like the select here and I can add another. Okay, I can write another here and select it here, but like that. And we can write here what is these things, what is these things. If the more described, then 2 place 3 place we can. Another thing is there here a table. We can create table as a Excel. We give to here the column, how many columns required, width column. This is default. You can change here and just click here and click here. Okay, then you can edit table, otherwise like that. See how, why you can see, and just click here, you can see as a action, and you can write here anything if you want like that. You can write in this box. Okay, then just come like a Excel sheet. Just you select here, and once select here again, then you can see here the text styles. If you want to modify text style, then just you click here, manage, then you can change the here height, font as you like, then apply and close it. And after that, this is the dimension styles annotations. Then you come to here, manage dimension style. Here you can see, just click modify, and you can change here as you like the lines, symbols, arrows, text, fit, units, alternate units, the all you can modify here. So when we work, then I will explain the how do we modify it. Okay, it's very easy, you can modify it. And then again you come to leader, then leader manage multi-leader. Okay, here we can make the new style like any, give to name, and we can modify it. Okay, then you come to down. Okay, it's finished. This is the standard styles of table. This is standard table style, or you can change the styles, can make here new, just okay, and after that the modify it. Okay, as you like. Okay, so I think this panel you understood it. It's a very important. One thing I want to tell you here, this text style, just manage here, make new, give to name, I'm giving this style 1. Okay, then you change here the height 25. If you change any font you like, you can change here. It's very easy. Then apply and then close. It's changed. And where you find this is, see, this is the style 1 now. Okay, and I'm just select here this. Then you can change here the styles. Okay, like that. And in the dimensions, just click here, manage dimension, and you can make a new style here. Any, I'm giving to 12 name and continuous. Okay, then you can modify here, so you can change the colors. Okay, like that you can see line types, like see, you can see here. And then next here you see the line, how you want these lines all. As I'm changing here, all you can see that we are going to change here. Okay, so and color also, you see, if I'm making here green, you see that green color. So you can modify it here. And arrows like architecture, like a close field, then select close field here, then you can close. And here if you want to make the close field, you see, you can see now it's changing. And text here color, I'm going to this color, then you see the text color has changed. So anything you can change here, units, decimal here, engineering, architecture, what you want, you can change it here. Precisions, after the points you want to do 2, 1, or you don't want, you can change here. Okay, and alternative is no need, maximum. This one thing is here, you check horizontal or align with the dimension line. If you put here the horizontal, then see the all the text are the horizontal. If select here the align with, then align with the lines. This is the most things. Then okay, and close it. Okay, this is the most thing I think you understood now. So this 3 panel is the completed it, and this 4th panel is the most important. This is the layer. So it's not a big things, but important. Just you select here, okay, come to here and see here the new layer. You can give to layer name. I'm leave it to the layer 1. Then just come to here and select here and give to color. I'm giving to color here. And the continuous and default, this is the normally we are not going to change because it's the big things now. If you making the big project, then we can change, but otherwise no need. So role, I'm show to you role, how to? Yes. See, this is the two things. Okay, I'm select here and come to here and change the layer. See, as we created. See, color has come. And now you see, if I'm select this layer and I'm off from here, turn off, then it has gone from here, but not deleted. It's here. Again we come to here and open our layer here. Okay. Then you can see. And another function, if I click here lock, then I can't change nothing here. See, if I want to delete, I can't delete. If I'm delete, no, I'm not able to do something change now immediately because it's lock. If unlock and freeze it, then it's also here, but the freezed. If unfreeze, then again you click. This is the role of the layers. So we can make the multi-layers. If we work, then it will be used much times. It's very important things. Okay, these 4 panels I told you. Okay, next this is the block. Block is the not a big issue, but somewhere we'll use. So in starting part, I think no need to do understood. Here you see the match properties. Match properties, it's important. Like if you click once here like that, then click here, then we come to here and select it here. Okay, it's the same its property has come to here, yani ki match property. Now you see the dimension has not changed. So how to change? Match property here, then you select here, then come to here. Yes, property has changed. Now this layer and this layer is the same. Okay, this is the means matching the property. Another object too, like if I am select from here and come to here and select it here. Okay, then you see this column property is the depth point same as this depth point. Okay, so this like that we can match the properties by layer. You see this will if you do work, then we'll see. And here you can change the thickness of the our lines. You can give the thickness. You can assign if you want more big, like select it here. Select it here, then come to here, then select this line. Okay, so this line is the thickness is the more. Here we can't see because the one option is there, LW line weight display. Then select here, write 1 and enter. Now you can see this line is the thickness. Now again we select here and go here. And if you want to dash, then you see how to appear in the lines, and see this. Okay, hidden. So line type you can change here line type, and here you give to thickness of the lines. So this is the most things are complete in this panel also. Another panel group, like I'm select here, okay, and come to here, then make it group. Then if you select one, then all are selected because it's the group. If right click like that, then you can make it the ungroup, or you select here, then come to here, you check ungroup, select it here, now ungroup to here, okay, individually. So like that, you can use these all tools. So I think mostly from here to here, the tools already I told you, it's using very most things. After that, these things we have to use when we start our one project, because in see the insert, you can what you want to insert in the drawing, these things all you can insert here. Image you can insert, or you create, okay, attribute, anything you can insert here. Our annotation is the same. Our this home panel already we learned, this is the annotation, and here annotation separate more. So this all tools you can see open here like that. This is dimensions like that, and center lines, leaders, and already we seen all are hidden. This all you can see here. This is the important things. You can practice it here, then you will understand. These things now we are not going to use in the starting portion. And it's the views. Matlab if you want to 3D view, 2D view, we can change here. So this is mostly we no need now. Here manage, here import, export the another versions, drawings, and PDF we can insert, manage everything for managing system is there here. They like import, export the which version you want to import, export, and the external list if you want to add with our the drawing, then we can add to here the visual lisp editor. We can edit it here and run VBA macro as in the Excel and in Microsoft Office, like that macro we can use here. And this is the advanced things, so no need now. If you start the draw any matlab project, then we'll use some from here like that. And output here we can use the as a layout. After finish our project, we will create the sheets, means layout, and batch plot, single plot, and we can export our project to in any other formats, like the 3 formats we can in PDF also we can export. Okay, so this things also no, this are not related to this, not related to us. Now this is the somehow we will use when we will make the our drawing. See here break line symbols are showing. Okay, just click once, you see the break point you can see here. Many drawings we use. This is the A1 part. It has already been seen. That's here is not mostly this home page you have to use, and these tools you can try to draw any object and practice it here. Okay, I think you understood. It's very big video now. Next video I think we'll start a building, or maybe small the villa portion, any project, then we will use this all tools, then you will understood. Thanks for watching guys.